Well, arm ball is a quicker or faster delivery in a off break or a left arm spin bowling which actually skids on without much turn after hitting the pitch. It is a delivery where the arm plays the major role rather than the spinning fingers in skidding the ball after hitting the pitch. This is the reason why we don't see any spin on the ball during its traveling in the air. So, how to bowl a arm ball? Hi guys, well now I am going to show you how exactly to grip the ball for a arm ball in the context of off spin bowling. Well, we know that the gripping for a arm ball, the gripping for a off break ball is like this, okay, like this. Now the slight change from a off break to arm ball will be in this way. You need to grip the ball in such a way that the direction of position of the seam has to be towards the first slip or a second slip region, just like a outswinging delivery. So it should be gripped in this way. You can see how I am gripping. The index finger has to be on left part of the seam or at the edge of the left part of the seam, okay, like this, and the middle finger has to be on the right leather part of the seam, okay, on the center leather part of the seam, or you can say center right leather part of the seam, okay, like this. So this is the grip which we use for the arm ball in the context of off break bowling. Now what you are going to do is, unlike in off break bowling, you are going to spin the ball in up direction, okay, you are going to spin up like this, the direction of position of this seam rotating in towards the backward square leg region, like this. But here what happens is, you are not going to spin the ball in up direction, you are going to rotate the ball in backward direction, okay, in backward direction, like this, in backward direction, just like a fast bowler does too, okay, with the direction of position of the seam facing towards the first slip or second slip region. Now you need to flight the ball, okay. Now without flight, the batsman can recognize, if you deliver the ball in flat, the batsman will try to identify the ball as an arm ball. So the flight is crucial in the arm ball, okay. Now you need to flight the ball when you bowl arm ball, okay. So you need to rotate the ball like this, when you release the ball, like this. So the grip will be in this way finally, okay, like this. You are going to do the same phenomena when you are going to release the ball, okay, like this, in backward direction, like this. When I am going to bowl, I am going to do like this, okay. The ball rotates like this, whereas in off break bowling it rotates like this. It hits the pitch and it moves accordingly to the direction of position of the seam. Here it spins or it rotates in backward direction and it skips on, okay, and it moves in straight direction, okay. So this is the grip which we use for the arm ball in the context of off break bowling, okay, like this, okay. The grip shouldn't be too tight or too loose, it should be comfortable grip, okay. For comfortability you need to practice with the help of the index finger, okay, like this. Try to rotate the ball in backward direction, okay, like this. I think okay. Now this is the final grip, okay. Let's check out the videos. Well, in this video you can see very clearly how the arm is playing the major role rather than the spinning fingers in releasing the ball from front of the hand. And also here, since the spinning fingers has the minor role, you can see very clearly there is no any rotational spin on the ball. In fact, just like as we see in seam bowling, you can see here the ball with the seam facing in the direction of slip region rotating in backward direction, which actually is the real reason to skid on, or you can say to rush on after hitting the pitch. At the end of the day, from this angle, you can see very clearly how the ball is skidding on straightly with some turn after hitting the pitch, with the seam facing in slip direction. This is what the arm ball is all about. Hope you have understood. Meet you in the next video. Goodbye.